Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send videos from a camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. Often, when we select a photo from our camera roll to send as a snap, the recipient receives it as an image and not a snap. So, to send them in the form of snaps, firstly, you need to open your Snapchat camera and take a snap. Next, click on the sticker icon located beneath the pencil icon and select the photos option. Choose the photo you want to send, adjust it on the screen, and then send it. Switching to the recipient's account will reveal that they received it as a snap and not an image. Alternatively, you can go to your camera, select the gallery option, and choose a photo. Then, click the down arrow, then the scissors icon to highlight the entire photo. After clicking done, resize the photo, click done again, and save it as a copy. Now, take a random snap. Click on the sticker, choose the scissors icon, resize the photo on your screen, and send it. This method achieves the same result as before. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.